Across tropical farms around the world, banana plants are harvested for their fruit, but what remains behind holds an unexpected industrial value.
Inside this factory, banana stems once considered waste are transformed into strong natural fibers used in sustainable products around the world.
These thick banana stems were once treated as agricultural waste. Today, they are the starting point of a growing fiber industry. Inside every banana stem lies a complex network of natural fibers. Extracting them requires a carefully controlled industrial process. Once the fruit has been harvested, the remaining stems are collected from the fields. Their journey from farm to factory begins immediately. Large quantities must be moved quickly. Fresh stems are easier to process before the fibers begin to dry. At the processing facility, raw agricultural material enters a controlled industrial environment. Here, the transformation begins. Each shipment arrives directly from nearby farms. The stems must be handled carefully to preserve their internal fibers. Before any machinery is used, the stems are sorted. Size, freshness, and fiber quality all influence the next stage of processing.
Inspection ensures that only strong and usable plant material enters the fiber extraction line.
Beneath the soft outer layers lies a surprisingly durable fiber network. Processing plants operate continuously to handle the enormous volume of raw stems arriving from farms.
Cleaning removes dirt, soil, and field debris before mechanical processing begins.
From this point forward, heavy machinery takes control of the transformation.
These machines are designed specifically to separate natural fiber from plant tissue.
Precision equipment ensures that the fibers are removed without breaking their structure.
Once feeding begins, the stems will be stripped layer by layer.
This is the moment when raw plant matter begins its transformation into industrial fiber.
Strong strands of natural fiber are now beginning to appear.
But these freshly extracted fibers are still rough and saturated with moisture.
The extraction stage has only begun. Next comes the preparation that will turn these raw fibers into usable industrial material.
Freshly extracted banana fibers still carry plant residue and moisture. Before they can be refined, the fibers must be thoroughly cleaned.
Industrial washers remove remaining plant pulp and natural sap. Continuous water circulation helps separate unwanted organic material.
Inside the washer, movement and water pressure loosen any remaining plant tissue. Filtration systems prevent waste from re-entering the washing cycle. Once cleaned, the fibers must drain before further treatment can begin. Controlling moisture at this stage helps prevent fiber damage. Mechanical separation prevents fibers from sticking together.
The goal is to isolate long, continuous fibers.
Combing machines align the fibers and remove smaller fragments.
This step improves fiber consistency before drying.
After combing, the fibers must be dried carefully. Controlled drying removes excess moisture without weakening the fibers.
Even airflow ensures uniform drying across every fiber bundle.
Precise environmental control protects the natural strength of the fibers.
As moisture evaporates, the fibers become lighter and stronger. At this stage, the fibers are dry and ready for mechanical refinement. The next step prepares the fibers for industrial shaping and strengthening. Pressure and controlled motion will now refine the fibers further.
Mechanical softening improves flexibility and prepares the fibers for manufacturing. The preparation stage is complete. Now the fibers will enter the core manufacturing process that gives them their final industrial form.
Even small variations in fiber placement can affect final product strength. The once loose fibers now begin to resemble a stable material. Maintaining alignment ensures consistent sheet quality. The process operates continuously to handle large volumes of fiber. This stage improves durability without damaging the natural fibers. A light bonding treatment improves structural stability.
Even small offcuts are collected for reuse.
Continuous sheets are rolled for easier handling and transport. Quality checks ensure the material remains consistent.
But the material is not finished yet. The next stage focuses on precision refinement that will prepare it for final industrial use.
Alignment systems monitor the sheet continuously. Even minor shifts must be corrected before further processing.
Sensors measure thickness and density across every section of the sheet.
Human oversight ensures the machines maintain precise settings. Precision trimming removes uneven edges left from earlier stages.
Accurate cutting ensures uniform width for every roll.
Surface polishing improves the sheet's finish and flexibility. This step enhances the natural appearance of the fibers.
Tension adjustments prevent future warping during storage.
Balanced tension keeps the fiber structure stable. Some products require additional structural reinforcement. Short compression cycles strengthen weak areas. Cooling stabilizes the material after compression and polishing. By now, the sheet has reached near final form.
The reading is 1.5 meters.
Okay, I've logged it. Check the thickness now.
The material is now consistent, stable, and ready for final inspection. Before the material can leave the factory, every batch must pass strict quality tests. These checks confirm.
The first step is visual inspection. Technicians search for irregular fiber patterns or structural defects.
Magnification reveals even the smallest imperfections.
Flexibility tests simulate long-term use in real products.
High-quality fibers must endure thousands of bending cycles.
Moisture testing determines how the fibers react to humid environments.
Natural fibers must maintain strength even when exposed to moisture. Every result is recorded and compared with strict industrial standards.
This batch seems slightly off color-wise. See the variance here?
Yes, I see it. It's not within tolerance. I'll note the deviation.
Manual verification confirms the accuracy of automated scanners.
Approved materials are marked and cleared for final packaging. Protective wrapping shields the fibers from dust, moisture, and transport damage.
Sealing ensures the material remains stable during shipping. Automated systems prepare large shipments efficiently. Strapping keeps the material stable during transportation. Soon, the finished fiber begins its journey beyond the factory.
From here, the fibers travel to manufacturing centers across the region.
The same fibers can also replace plastic in packaging industries. Consumers increasingly seek products made from renewable resources.
From large factories to local markets, the material continues its journey.
Every strand still carries the strength of the original plant fibers.
From farm waste to finished products, banana stems have been transformed into valuable industrial materials.